Hi guys, so like many of you have made transactions and it may have not gone through. So like I have made a transaction on OpenSea and it didn't go through, so it is now stuck in a loop because of the low gas fees. So it's not recommended to customize your gas fees if you are not aware about it, but this is just for a test purpose. So I'm going to show you if you have made such mistakes that you have put low gas fee and now you are not able to cancel the transaction, and it keeps saying that you have a pending transaction and you cannot make another transaction before that. So there's a solution. Go to myetherwallet.com and then you can access my wallet. Then you can go to the browser extension if you have the Metamask browser extension, like I have one here, and I'll just connect it. So it will connect your Metamask wallet, and then you just need to make 10 Ethereum transaction. It will take a one-time gas fee, but your transaction will be cancelled, and then you can just do another transaction easily. So go to send transaction and keep the amount as 0, address, and you will find your own address here. Select it, and it says that it will cost you 0.003 Ethereum because you're canceling a transaction. That's also called a transaction. So it's all done. You can just click on next and confirm and send. It will ask for the permission, and now here it is custom nonce. So what custom nonce is, you need to set the nonce as the same as your transaction which is not going through. So my nonce is 9, so I'll put here 9 and I'll click on confirm. So now what it does is it will initiate a transaction and it's done. So now I will go to that transaction from my Metamask wallet and I can see it on the block explorer. It normally takes around 45 seconds because of low gas fees, but it should be complete any moment now. Okay, so our transaction is completed, and now if I go to this transaction and if I hit on refresh, you can see it is dropped and replaced. So this is how now I do not have any pending transactions on Etherscan and I can make new transactions, and that's how I solved it. So if you have any questions, just please comment down on the video and I can help you with that, because I know like lots of people are like losing money over canceling transactions and making wrong transactions. So if you like the video, then just hit subscribe, and if you want any help, just please comment down below.